Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to read our ice book. It looks like this. So get it out, and today you are going to read with me. So let's start reading. So put your finger on ice, the word ice. So you see, ice starts with the letter I, and it's only 3 letters. I-C-E, ice. And this book was written by Sally Frances Anderson. So remember, she is the author. She wrote the words to the book. Let's turn the page. And find the word ice and put your finger on it. So ice is right here. Ice is on the ground. Turn the page over. And put your finger on the first word, which is ice. Ice is in my drink. Do you like putting ice in your drink? Like ice cubes? Put your finger on the word ice. Ice is on the trees. So in the winter time, we live in Merced, so it doesn't snow here and it doesn't get cold enough. But if you go up to the mountains or if you go somewhere really, really cold, ice can grow on the tree because there's water and it freezes because it's so cold. Put your word on ice. Put your hand on the word ice and let's read together. Ice is in the air. So ice is in the air because it's so cold, it's freezing. Ice is on the roof. So if you live in a really cold area, there's ice that grows on the roof, and it grows and it kind of hangs like Christmas lights. It looks like that, but it doesn't have any lights. So it hangs down and it's really icy. Ice is everywhere. The end. So where do you think we have ice in Merced? Because it doesn't get cold enough. We have ice in our drinks. We can make ice if we freeze it, right? If we take water and refreeze it. So if we take some water and refreeze it, what does it make again? Ice. So let's go and freeze some water and ice. So you're going to need an ice tray, some water, food coloring, and popsicle stick, and let's do an experiment. So now, after reading our ice book, we are going to do our experiment. So what do you think is going to happen if we put water in here, some food color, and the popsicle stick? What do you think is going to happen? Go draw me a picture, okay? And show me a Learning Genie what you are going to predict what will happen. So now, let's put some water in here, and we will put food coloring and popsicle stick after. So you don't have to fill it up all the way. You can go halfway. You can fill all of them or just some of them. Now I'm going to take this to the table, and I will add food coloring and the popsicle stick once I get to the table. Okay, so now I'm at my table. I'm going to get my food coloring out, and I'm just going to put a little bit. So I think I'm going to choose blue. 1 drop, and 1 more drop, and another drop. And I'm going to use 1 more color, red. Now I'm going to take my popsicle stick and I'm going to stir it, mix it up. Whoa, look at the color. Now I'm going to mix up the red one. Okay, and so now if you haven't drawn a picture, please go draw a picture about what you think is going to happen once we put it in the freezer, and come back tomorrow. Let's see what will happen for our results.